Tired of confusing tutorials? Welcome to How to Simple Guide to Wear. We cut the fluff and show you exactly what to do step by step fast. From tech hacks to everyday fixes, if you want quick answers that actually work, you just found your channel. Hit that subscribe button now so you never waste time figuring things out the hard way again.
Okay, first things first. We need to head to where all the good Android apps live, the Google Play Store. It's super easy, just like finding any other app. Open your app drawer and tap on the Play Store icon. Now, here's where we get specific. In that search bar, you're going to type in Meta AI, 2 words. And this is important. Make sure you're looking for the official app. You'll recognize it by that distinct blue and purple circular icon. Don't download any imposters. Once you've found the correct app listing, tap on it. Once you've found the correct app, you'll see the Install button. Go ahead and tap that with confidence. Your phone will then do its magic, downloading the app and automatically installing it. This usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. And just like that, you're almost there. Once it's installed, you can either tap Open right from the Play Store, or you'll find the shiny new Meta AI icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When you open it for the first time, it'll ask you to log in with your Meta/Facebook account. This connects all your Meta services and personalizes your AI experience. Now that it's installed, you have a powerful new tool. For quick access, consider dragging the Meta AI app icon to your home screen or your dock. And for your first interaction, try something fun. Ask it to /imagine a unique image or help you brainstorm ideas for your next YouTube video. The possibilities are seriously endless. There you have it. Installing Meta AI on Android is a breeze, and it immediately puts so much intelligence and creativity at your fingertips. It's going to save you time and spark so many ideas. So, now that you're armed with Meta AI, what's the very first thing you're going to use it for? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and I'll catch you in the next one.